is done by digestion, absorption and defecation. Conversion of food into simple substances is known as digestion. The digested food is absorbed by body. That is called as absorption. See, here it is converted into simple substances and it is absorbed by the body. That is called as absorption. The food which is not absorbed unnecessarily is called as feces. It comes out. This is called as defecation. Got it? Now, what are the main parts of digestive system? First one, mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver. You have liver over there. See, gallbladder. You have pancreas over here. Now, basic digestion starts from mouth. We take in food. We have basically three parts: mouth, tongue. See, mouth is used for chewing, right? Feeding. We have teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. Teeth help in grinding the food. Tongue helps in pushing the food. Salivary glands secrete saliva for easy digestion and swallowing. We have, okay, understood now. Now, so digestion of food begins in the mouth while chewing, okay, saliva in the mouth. We have three pairs of salivary glands. See, 1, 2, 3. Three pairs of salivary glands which secrete saliva. Saliva helps in digestion. Now, teeth. Let me ask you something. When you were small, we used to lose our teeth, right? When we were around 6, 7, 8 years, below 6 years, we used to lose our teeth, right? So, the teeth are called as milk teeth. When we lose milk teeth, we develop one kind of teeth which are called as permanent. If once they are broken, they cannot be regrown. Understood? Yeah. And basic. Digestion starts from mouth because we take food through mouth. We chew with our teeth. Okay? So the teeth cut and grind the food to break it down. The first one we have from the time when we are babies until we are about 6 years old are known as milk teeth. These are temporary teeth. Okay? Now, when milk teeth fall or permanent teeth take place, there are 32, 16 above and 16 below. Total we have 32 number of teeth. Understood? So, again these are divided into 4. See, these 4 are called as incisors, these are canines, these are premolars and these are molars. In the same way over here, okay? See, the shape of incisors. What is the use of these incisors? See, these are found in front of the mouth. They are chisel shaped and mainly used for biting and cutting. See how they are. They are used for biting and cutting. Next is canine. They are pointed and used for piercing and tearing. It is used to tear. For example, if suppose, like few of us eat non-veg, right? When we eat non-veg, how do we eat? Either we eat like this or like this. Yes, we eat like this because here we have two pairs of sharp teeth. Here and here. If you want, you can just go and have a look in the middle. You will have like V-shaped sharp teeth over these two sides. They are called as canines. Those are used for tearing the food. Okay, piercing and tearing the food because they are more sharper. Now next is premolars. These are 2 of each side and jaw. These teeth have fine surface being small and groove the ridges. They are having very small surfaces. Okay. These are adapted to crush and grind the food. Once food is eaten, they are used to make it into smaller and smaller pieces. Next is molars. These are the last 3 teeth. See, we have. In both the jaws, they have flat surface with small projection from effective grinding of the food. So, what are they saying? The main use of this molars is, see, this is their surface. This surface is very small, right? They have small surface, and this is used for more grinding of teeth. And sometimes we also have wisdom teeth. We get wisdom teeth near molars. Remember this point. Now, next is tongue. What is the use of tongue? Now, but without tongue we can chew it. If it is only process of chewing, we can directly chew with teeth. What is the use of tongue then? Yes, what happens when the food is chewed? The food should be evenly distributed, right? The tongue helps in evenly distribution. It also helps in basic thing of tongue is telling the taste. So, if you eat something more delicious, we feel very happy because our tongue will sense the taste. If we eat chocolates, we all love eating chocolates. If we eat chocolates, we feel sweet, right? If we eat bitter nut, oh my god, it is so bitter. We don't like it. So, how can you know this taste? It's with the help of your tongue. Tongue is the organ used. So, it contains taste buds which tell the taste of some particular food item. See, in the starting we have sweet, salt, sugar, salt. Now, what does this diagram mean? Why we have marked bitter, sour, salty, sweet over here? This is because this starting portion, the tip of the tongue, has the ability to sense sweet. This portion of the tongue, now when you come to this portion of the tongue, it has the ability to taste salty. Now, the last bottom portion of the tongue has the ability to sense sour taste. Okay, it can get the sour taste. And the last portion of the tongue we have bitter taste. Okay, so these are the 4 places where we can feel 4 different types of taste. So that is the reason why we are able to feel all types of taste. Means sweet buds are present over here, salty buds, sour buds, and bitter buds. These are present over here. So that's why we are able to sense them. See, the process of chewing food during which it mixes with saliva is known as mastication. What do you mean by mastication? The process of chewing food, and when it mixes with saliva. After you chew, it mixes with saliva, right? When the food is mixed with saliva, this process is called as mastication. Remember this point, underline this sentence in your textbook. Now, here comes the second part called as esophagus. In this esophagus, the food goes from mouth to stomach through esophagus. Okay. We also have an opening called, here we have one kind of opening called epiglottis, which covers. What is the use of this epiglottis? It prevents the food from coming up. Okay, it prevents the food to move up again. Understood? It shouldn't again go to lungs, right? If it goes to lungs, what happens? We can't breathe. So epiglottis helps to cover that lid. And this food travels in esophagus in peristaltic movement. What do you mean by peristaltic movement? It comes like this, it crushes like this, and it opens. See, this is called as peristaltic. Closing, opening, closing, opening. This is called as peristaltic movement. See, it is closing and opening, right? Yes. Through esophagus, food reaches to stomach. No, the food has entered into stomach. In stomach, we have gastric juices. So, stomach secretes. What does the stomach do? It secretes gastric juices which will break the food. See now, when you chew, you are having little complex food. You are making super complex food into simple complex. Now it has entered into your stomach. Now what does the stomach do? It produces gastric juices and it converts into more and more smaller, simpler substances. If suppose whatever bacteria or some unwanted bacteria is present in your food which you take, with the help of these gastric juices, those bacteria will be killed. Now, once the food is digested, when the food is broken down into smaller pieces, it enters into small intestine. It is the longest part of the digestive system. It is called a tube and is 6 meters long. This is small intestine. Just don't consider these things, duodenum, jejunum and ileum. You don't have these things now. Just watch the video and just avoid this part, duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Okay? So, now, see, above these, what do you see? If you can also do above this small intestine, large intestine, this side you will have liver. This side you have pancreas and this side you have gallbladder. What is the use of all these three things? Liver secretes juices, okay? Bile, gallbladder, no. Liver secretes, here if you have liver secretes bile juice and pancreas secretes pancreatic juice and gallbladder secretes bile duct, okay? These all are used in digestion. This is the large intestine. The undigested food which is not digested will be sent into large intestine. Then what happens? The large intestine will defecate that food. Okay? So this is the final stage called as assimilation. When they remove that undigested food through colon and rectum, it is called as excision. Okay? The undigested food which is being removed from the body is called as excision. The final stage of digestion is assimilation. Okay? I hope you all understand how the human digestive system works. Understood? So, it starts from mouth and it ends at anus or rectum. Okay? You must all remember all the parts. Parts are very, very important. You need to practice the diagram. If you thoroughly read the textbook for once or twice, you will understand. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can put a message in WhatsApp in the particular group. Okay? Yeah. Thank you.